Packing for your cruise? Here's what you want to bring and what you definitely shouldn't. Carnival Concierge, how can I help? Hi, I'm Danny, your Carnival Concierge. One of the questions I get the most is, what do I actually pack for a cruise? And just as important, what can't I bring on board? Well, if you're wondering the same thing, you're in exactly the right place. First things first, because we take health and safety seriously, there are a few things you can't bring on board. For the full list, go to health.carnival.com.au and search restricted items. You'll spot the obvious ones: illegal drugs, weapons, explosives, flammable stuff. Probably no surprises there. But some might be less obvious, like party poppers, helium-filled balloons, remote-controlled toys, speakers, drones. Please leave those at home. And anything else that heats up: irons, clothes steamers, heated blankets, coffee machines. These are also a no-go. But don't worry, items like hair dryers, straighteners, and shavers are permitted. You can also bring power boards and extension cords as long as they are not surge protected. Take a good look at that list now, and check-in will be smooth sailing when it's time to kick off your holiday. Now on to the fun part, what you should bring. Here's my short list. A carry-on for embarkation day, and a backpack for when you head off in port. Sunscreen, hats, swimmers. If it's a sun-soaked destination, you'll be living in these. Casual clothes for the day, smart casual for the evenings, outfits for theme nights, and elegant evenings. You do not want to miss those. And if you love the water, pack your snorkel, goggles, and reef shoes. You'll thank me later. So that's it. Check out the restricted items list, pack your fun gear, and you'll be cruise ready in no time. I'll see you on board.